In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the CMS from Webflow in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a new project or making changes to an existing one, understanding how to manage and remove CMS items can streamline your workflow and help you optimize your website setup. So, let's dive in and break down the process step by step. First things first, you need to navigate to the Webflow homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in Webflow's URL, or simply search for Webflow to reach their website. This online platform allows you to design custom websites with ease through its intuitive visual builder. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log into your account. This ensures you have full access to your dashboard, where we can make the necessary changes. After logging in, you will be directed to the Webflow dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of all your projects. This dashboard is your command center, allowing you to organize and manage your projects efficiently. Browse through your list of projects and select the one that you want to work on. Clicking on the project will take you into the editor mode, where you can make detailed modifications to your site. Once you're inside your chosen project, locate the CMS section. You can find this typically on the left sidebar of the Webflow editor. By clicking on CMS, you're entering a space where all your collection items are stored. Collections are databases within Webflow used to store connected content that can dynamically update across your site. Now it's time to remove all these items. To remove a CMS from your project, you will need to delete all collection items. Start by selecting the first item in your list. By doing this, you ensure that you're not leaving behind any data. It's important to confirm your intentions to remove these items, as deleting them cannot be undone. Once accepted, proceed with the same process for the rest of your collection items until none remain. Clearing out all the collection items is a crucial step because it essentially resets the CMS aspect of your project. It ensures that no lingering elements are present that could potentially disrupt your plans for the site. And there you have it. The CMS has been successfully removed from your Webflow project. You've taken an efficient step towards simplifying your site's functionality and preparing it for either a fresh start or a new direction. Always remember that while working in Webflow, patience and attention to detail are your best friends. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a comment or hit the like button. And as always, if you have any lingering questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Keep creating, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.